Good afternoon, Kari and Fred. My name is Eric. Today we are going to see how to brew a great coffee and clean up coffee materials. In this video is a short video that will show you how you can make a great video without using expensive materials. Let's first start by seeing how to brew a great coffee. You know, many people want coffee and drink coffee. So here are the steps that I'm going to use in order to brew the coffee. So first of all, you need to prepare the coffee material. As you can see, the carafe, you can see this small pot, you can see the coffee grounds that I have prepared, the cup and the spoon that I will use in this whole process. Throughout this entire process, so as you see those material that I was able to find that I can use, instead of using the coffee pot, I used the carafe only because I can be able to put it on the electricity. So after seeing how those materials, first of all, another step that you need to do after preparing the materials, you pour cold water into the carafe. As you can see, I'm pouring the water into the carafe. This amount of water was measured. After pouring the water into the carafe, the next step that is continue is to put the coffee grounds into the cold water to make the mixture. I'm putting the coffee grounds into the carafe. After putting some spoon of the coffee ground, the next step is to cross the carafe and then turn it on. In order to turn the carafe on, as you see, it is put it on electricity. I'm going to turn the carafe on. As you can see, you will be able to see the carafe is turned on. I will be waiting until the coffee is completely made. As you can see, the coffee is trying to mixture the mixture of coffee and the water. As the coffee was completely made, as you can see, is finished, or the process is finished, you turn on the electricity and remove the carafe of the electricity, and then you grab the cup of a given cup, and then you remove the carafe and pour the coffee into the cup. After pouring the coffee into the cup, now the whole process is done. You can be able to drink it. And then the remaining coffee, we will keep it in the carafe to ensure its freshness. Thank you. This is how to brew a great coffee. Now we have seen how to make a great coffee. Now we are going to see how to clean up coffee materials. First of all, you have to remove all coffee that you have prepared into the carafe and put the carafe on the coffee pot. After that, what you do is that you make a mixture solution of half water and vinegar, and then you put that mixture into the carafe. After pouring the mixture into the carafe, you close and then turn on the electricity to ensure that the half brewing cycle is on. After the half brewing cycle is completed, you rest the carafe at least 1 hour and then continue to finish up the complete brewing cycle. So after completing the brew cycle, the next step is The next step that is continue is to remove the water vinegar solution that was inside the carafe, and run the whole brewing cycle twice with fresh water. After the twice brewing cycle is completed, you turn on the electricity, and then what is continue is to clean up all those material and its exterior with hot and spot and soapy water. Thank you very much. This was all the process.